Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I don't know what exactly we're doing. We're either going to the mall or the movies, and I told my mom to decide, so we're gonna see what we end up doing, and I'm just gonna vlog today for you guys. I don't know why my fingers are like orange, but right now I'm gonna get ready, and I also made myself some strawberries, granola, and yogurt, and it's actually so good. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and finish eating my breakfast. My makeup, and I think now I'm gonna go brush my teeth, put on deodorant, put on I almost said toothpaste, put on perfume. This is the Glossier perfume. This is not sponsored, but oh my god, this smells so good. Like, I love it so much. I could spray it forever. But first I think I'm actually gonna do my hair and put it in a little bun situation. Hi guys, so I finished my slick back bun. It doesn't actually look slick back in the camera, but don't worry, it actually is. Right now my brother's taking a shower, but I think I'm gonna go brush my teeth and put on deodorant. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I have brushed my teeth and finished all of that, and now I really need to pick out an outfit, but I don't know what we're gonna do, so I need to ask my mom first. Okay, so I got dressed, and this is my outfit. I'm just wearing these black Lulu shorts and this shirt from one of my dance competitions. If I could learn how to talk, that would be nice. Anyways, now I'm gonna put on my perfume. And I don't know if I already told y'all, I kind of don't remember, but we're going to the movies. So I'm pretty sure last time I did a day in the life thing, we went to Daiso. Hold on, there's a person right there. Anyways, I had to take my bun out because it was gonna hit the chair thing. But today at Daiso I got these, and I've actually had these before, but I kind of forgot what they taste like, so we're gonna try them again and give the honest rating.
Because yeah, I remember they were like super good last time. So this is what they look like on the outside. The pandas are kind of ruined because see, the pandas are supposed to look like that. It was upside down, I think, but whatever. Anyways, there's chocolate in the middle. They're actually so good. I really like them, but if you don't like chocolate, they're very chocolatey. So like, I wouldn't eat them if you don't like chocolate. But anyways, now we're gonna try these blueberry Hello Kitty marshmallows. I don't know, but we're gonna try them and rate them. I've gotten the strawberry ones and the pineapple ones and the mango ones before. They're so good. This is what they look like. Let's try it. That's actually really good. That's so good. If you like fruity flavors, this is a 10. This is so good. Okay, that's kind of it for my ratings of that. But we did get stuff from Walmart. So let's try that. Phone keeps falling. The person next to me finally is deciding to leave. Anyways, I got these like protein cookies. They look really good. They're birthday cake flavored. So we're just gonna try one while we're waiting. This is so awkward. Also it's like raining, kind of. If you can't tell, it's really cloudy. It was raining like a few seconds ago. But yeah, basically when we walked out of Daiso, something literally immediately flew in my eye and I couldn't see anything. Isn't that sad? Okay, I'm getting this open, guys. Why is it so hard to get open? I guess so people don't open it in the store, but whatever. Oh, I hate this texture. But I'm just gonna like grab it out of the side that I opened. This is what it looks like. It's by the brand Quest, so we'll try it. Oh, by the way, later I'm gonna look up on Amazon like stuff for nails because I want to do my own nails. Oh, my mom's coming, but ew. Yeah, I do not recommend. That's like a 2. This is gross. Hi guys, so it's been a few hours. It's been like 1 hour since I last talked to you guys, but I had to clean out my, like this part underneath my sink really badly. So let me turn this around and show you guys. Okay, so here's the outside, and then here it is fully on the inside. So before I would just throw things in there and there would be stuff everywhere and it was like flowing out when I would open it. So let me just give you a little quick tour. Okay, so right here is girl necessities, and then right here I kind of have like spray bottled hair stuff right there, and then mini stuff, and then makeup wipes and a loofah. And then all the way back here there's just like some cleaning supplies, and then right here is what used to be my toiletry bag, and then right there is my box of more girl necessities to go in here in case I need it. And then back here is like all hair products, and then one thing is like, or I guess 2 things is like makeup wipes and then perfume. And then right here I have all of my scrunchies and hair ties and hair clips, and then underneath I have all my makeup palettes for dance. And then right here I have this thing that I didn't use, so I'm just keeping it in here. Then more girl things, and then this. So yeah, I'd say I did a really good job. Oh my god, I did a really good job. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna relax because I am on my girl time right now too. So I'm gonna go relax and kind of edit this video a little bit, and then I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I've been on my phone on the couch for like 20 minutes or something like that. And we're going to Dallas actually on Wednesday after I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday a ballet intensive thing that's from 9 to 1. And we're going to Dallas for my brother's baseball games. So I'm just going to make a little packing vlog on my other vlogs channel. So yeah.